What do you know of business models? What comes to mind when you hear about business model innovation? In this series, I'll be discussing the business model canvas, how it pertains to your business, and the 9 building blocks of the business model canvas. A business model is simply the reasoning behind how organizations create, deliver, and capture value. It's very important to start your business with a layout of your model, and the business model canvas helps you visualize it. Throughout the course of this series, we will build a business model canvas together. The first building block of your business model canvas is customer segments. You've heard a million times that the customer is king, and that's at the core of your model. Customers are the heart of every business. Your business model must be carefully designed to reach and serve your specific customer base with their specific needs. That's the essential first step. Decide which customer segment you want to serve and which ones to ignore. There are several types of customer segments, such as mass markets, niche markets, segmented, diversified, and multi sided platforms, or markets. Each of these segments refer to the type of audience or market your business model is designed for. In a mass market, you'll find customer segments with similar needs and problems, like in the electronics industry, where companies like Apple or Samsung serve almost everyone. Niche markets are more specialized, and the business model is tailored for particular markets. For instance, a fabric manufacturer who depends heavily on fashion retail companies for business would design their business model specific to them. Segmenting markets use a business model that may differ between customer segments in the same market. Banks are a great example of businesses with segmented customers because they serve a varying number of customers with slightly different needs, whether it is investment portfolios, savings accounts, insurance services, or pension management. An organization with a diversified customer segment uses a business model that serves two unrelated customer segments with very different needs and problems. For instance, if Work Studios decided to start a sister company for publishing books, this would mean they are targeting a different customer base separate from their original business model. Lastly, multi-sided platforms serve two or more interdependent customer segments that work together. Therefore, your business model has to consider the two markets involved. An example would be a social media creator who needs a large audience to attract brands for partnerships and collaborations. Here, the two markets work together, and as such, the business model has to cater to both. Now, onto our very own business model canvas. We are building an online grocery delivery service. Let's call it Gumi Goods, Gigi. The first question would be, who are we serving? What is our customer segment? So, would say our customer segment consists of busy working professionals and families. They rely on an online service to fulfill their grocery needs due to their hectic schedules and limited time for shopping. Hence, that would be a mass market. Now, think of a brand you know. What kind of customer segments do you think they operate?